This now we're carrying down to AFCON and with the chukuli I put for the countries them where they follow show face for that competition. Today, now Egypt will one chuk I put. Egypt, their nickname now the Pharaohs of Egypt, and has to be for inside the FIFA rankings. Then they're number 45 for the world FIFA ranking, and has to be for them. They don't show face for this competition 25 times. The last time we didn't show face for inside AFCON now 2019 when they host them, and sweet thing for them. Now they don't win this competition pass as they don't win them 7 times. For Egypt, their star player surely now the man when they play for Liverpool, Mohamed Salah, and has to be for them their first match for inside Group D now against Nigeria. This now we're carrying down